Item: SCP-447. Object Class: Safe. Special Containment Procedures: SCP-447-1 is to be kept within a 50-gallon clear plastic container at all times, monitored by camera by a security level 3 or higher staff member to prevent overflow. Area is to be maintained at level 1 clean room status to prevent contamination by foreign matter at a site at least 10 km from any cemetery, morgue, or mortuary. Under no circumstances is SCP-447 to be allowed to come into contact with dead bodies. Because SCP-447-1 constantly excretes a viscous greenish slime, designated SCP-447-2, at a rate of approximately 10 cc/hour. A Class D personnel in good physical condition is to be detailed to harvest the excreted slime at least once per day. SCP-447-2 can be harvested using any appropriate equipment, so long as safety procedures are carefully adhered to in order to prevent on-site fatalities. Slime can be transported in an ordinary sealed glass or plastic container through any standard mode of transportation, provided that there is no risk of the slime coming into contact with a dead body en route. Although malodorous, the slime harvested from SCP-447-1 is nontoxic, noncorrosive, and nonradioactive. It is, in fact, perfectly safe so long as it does not come into contact with a dead body. The slime is edible, and reportedly makes a good salad dressing. Adding 10 cc of SCP-447-2 to 1 gallon of gasoline improves fuel efficiency by 150%. Furthermore, SCP-447-2 can be refined. See Appendix 447-C, Distillation Process, into a useful lubricant approved for use at all SCP Foundation installations, so long as said lubricant is never used to lubricate dead bodies. All staff assigned to SCP-447 are to be screened by polygraph for any suicidal, necrophiliac, or homicidal tendencies. In addition, all staff assigned to SCP-447 must be in good health and good physical condition, and must adhere to on-site safety regulations at all times. This is to minimize the risk of SCP-447 or its generated slime coming into contact with a dead body. Description: SCP-447-1 is a green sphere approximately 5 cm in diameter, with a spongy surface texture and a weight of 1.37 kg. The object is warm to the touch, approximately the same temperature as a human body, although its core temperature is slightly higher. Personnel handling SCP-447-1 have reported no adverse effects, so long as SCP-447-1 does not come into contact with a dead body. SCP-447 was retrieved by Foundation agents in the city of California, United States of America. The incident clearly illustrates the danger inherent in allowing either SCP-447 unit to come into contact with a dead body. For further information, please see Appendix 447-A. Retrieval Report. The dangers of allowing SCP-447-1 or -2 to come into contact with dead bodies have been clearly documented. Detailed eyewitness reports can be found in Appendix 447-B. Prior incidents. To summarize, however, initial effects include data expunged per O5 level directive, Research into this field forbidden upon pain of immediate termination or demotion to Class D. Please contact your supervisor for more details.